The 2026 Hyundai Tucson has arrived, and it's more than just an SUV. It's a bold statement of what the future of automotive design looks like. Hyundai has evolved far beyond conventional styling, creating something that feels like it belongs to the next decade. From its illuminated script to its sculpted bodywork, every angle of this vehicle has been designed with precision, purpose, and a sense of digital sophistication. Right from the front, the Tucson looks futuristic and powerful. The massive gloss black grille dominates the fascia, featuring sharp horizontal lines that seem to merge seamlessly into the body. The traditional Hyundai logo is gone, replaced by a glowing illuminated Hyundai script that stretches across a continuous LED light bar. This full-width light signature connects both sides of the front, giving it a strong visual identity even from a distance. The ultra-thin LED headlights look like cybernetic eyes, glowing with precision and intensity. Down below, the bumper design adds aerodynamic function and aggression, while metallic accents frame the lower section, creating a sense of refinement. Move to the side and the Tucson transforms into something even more athletic. The proportions are longer, wider, and lower than before, giving it a coupe-like stance while maintaining SUV practicality. The body is sculpted with Hyundai's signature parametric dynamics, where lines and surfaces intersect like facets of a gemstone. These bold creases and folds create a constantly changing play of light and shadow as you move around the vehicle. The flush door handles, floating black roof, and satin chrome window trim emphasize the futuristic tone, while the massive multi-spoke alloy wheels with dual-tone metallic finishes give it a commanding presence. The shoulder line flows cleanly from the headlights to the taillights in a single, unbroken motion. The roofline tapers smoothly toward the rear, evoking the sportiness of high-performance SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus or Porsche Macan, both of which clearly influence this design language.
At the rear, the Tucson fully embraces its futuristic personality. A single continuous LED light bar spans the tailgate, perfectly aligned with the illuminated Hyundai script at the center. The taillight design uses a unique three-segment digital motif, echoing the front DRL signature for a sense of harmony and balance. The sculpted rear bumper is finished in matte black, featuring a bold aerodynamic diffuser and vertical vents that add a touch of motorsport aggression. The rear proportions feel planted and muscular, emphasizing width and stability. Everything here is minimalist and perfectly balanced, a clear evolution into Hyundai's digital identity era. Under the hood, the 2026 Tucson offers a lineup of modern electrified powertrains. The standard model features a 2.5-liter SmartStream gasoline engine producing around 190 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth power delivery for everyday driving. For those who want efficiency with performance, the 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid version delivers around 230 horsepower with instant torque and excellent fuel economy. Hyundai also offers a plug-in hybrid variant that provides up to 45 kilometers or about 28 miles of pure electric driving range. The H-Track all-wheel drive system intelligently distributes power for confident handling on any surface, while adaptive dampers and selectable drive modes allow drivers to tailor the experience from comfortable cruising to spirited dynamic driving. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior of the 2026 Tucson feels more like a futuristic lounge than a traditional SUV cabin. The combination of beige and black tones immediately creates a sense of warmth and sophistication. Every surface is soft touch, stitched, and sculpted with a seamless flow from the doors to the dashboard. The centerpiece of the interior is a wide digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one sweeping glass panel. The graphics are crisp, fluid, and deeply futuristic, with blue and white hues inspired by Hyundai's Blue Earth theme. Below the screen, touch-sensitive controls replace traditional buttons, emphasizing the car's minimalist digital philosophy. The shift-by-wire crystal dial on the center console looks elegant and high-tech, adding a jewel-like detail to the clean layout. Ambient lighting traces across the dashboard and doors, customizable in multiple colors, creating a relaxing, high-end atmosphere at night. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, featuring heating, ventilation, and memory functions.
Hyundai plans to launch the 2026 Tucson in late 2025, with pricing expected to start around $30,000 for the base model and reaching up to $45,000 for the fully equipped hybrid trims.
This pricing strategy makes it one of the most compelling options in its class, rivaling the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5, while offering design sophistication and futuristic flair none of them can match. Hyundai has successfully blended luxury, innovation, and value into a single cohesive package. The 2026 Hyundai Tucson represents the future of Hyundai's design vision, a perfect mix of digital minimalism, sculptural strength, and technological intelligence. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's unapologetically forward-looking. This SUV proves that Hyundai is no longer following trends, it's setting them. The illuminated branding, the razor-sharp surfaces, and the high-tech interior all come together to define what Hyundai calls the digital identity era. It's not just a car, it's a statement of how far the brand has come. So, what do you think? Would you choose this new generation Hyundai Tucson over its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic 2026 car reveals, and share this video with someone who loves great automotive design. The 2026 Tucson is not just another SUV. It's the next chapter of Hyundai's design revolution.